we have a chest that was from a husband's grandmother's family, and it was from Cuba. It's the only thing that we had of hers, and it was painted with the flowers all over it. It's very beautiful, but it got broken and scratched. And I saw in our state magazine the ads for Mumford restoration, and I wanted to see if we could get restored and save it for our children so they'll have a piece of their heritage. So we brought it here, and it's beautiful.
It's a beautiful piece that it now reminds me of what it looked like when I was a little kid in my dad's aunt's home and where I stayed. And so now it's just a reminder of where I come from.